Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Premier Next. First of all, I will say thanks to all my subscribers and viewers, and secondly, I will request all my viewers to please subscribe this channel so that you will also get continuous update about upcoming films, upcoming series, latest technologies, latest games and various other things. It is also requested that please share your views and suggestions if any. In this video, you are going to get all information related to an upcoming police procedural drama television series, Chicago PD Season 8. Chicago PD is an American police procedural drama television series which is created by Dick Wolf and Matt Olmstead. This series was developed by Derek Haas and Michael Brand. Atlee Orvison is the composer of this series. United States is the country of origin and English is the original language of the series. There are totally 7 seasons with 148 episodes and each episode runs up to 42 minutes. Executive producer of the series are Dick Wolf, Matt Olmstead, Dan Lee Kilber, Michael Drunt, Derek Haas, Mark Tinker, Arthur W. Forney, Peter Jankowski, Rick Aid, and Terry Miller. Of Films of Entertainment and Universal Television are the production companies of the series. NBC, Universal Television Distribution, is the distributor of the series. Okay, in this video, I will share all information about the story, cast and characters and release date. So, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Chicago PD plotlines. This series was a spin-off Chicago Fire and the Chicago PD focuses on the fictional 21st District, which the houses patrol officers and the departments. Allied Intelligence Unit, which is led by Detective Sergeant Hank Out. And the from second half of the season 4 was on after the Officer Kevin and Officer Kim Burke's advance to the intelligence unit. This will also be continued in the sequel season also. It is expected that the forthcoming season will also be interesting and entertaining for the viewers. Chicago PD cast and characters. The series has many cast and characters are there in the series. They are Jason Biggie acted as Detective Sergeant, John Cena acted as Senior Detective Antio Dawson, Sophia Bush acted as Detective Erin Lindsay, Jesse Sofa acted as Senior Detective Jay Halstead, Patrick John Fugger acted as Officer Adam Rozek, Marina Squasity acted as Officer Kim Burgess, Law Rosie Hawkins acted as Officer Kevin Adverter, Archie Cow acted as Detective Sheldon Ginn, and many other new members will also introduced in the 8th season. Many other characters were also included in the supporting roles in this series. They had played their role in a professional and benefiting manner, due to which the series received various acclaim and good reviews from the critics and the viewers. Therefore, it is also expected that in the forthcoming season, all the cast and characters will definitely play their role in an interesting and benefiting manner. Chicago PD release details. First season with 15 episodes was released on 8th January 2014. Second season with 23 episodes was released on 24th September 2014. Third season with 23 episodes was released on 30th September 2015. Fourth season with 23 episodes was released on 21st September 2016. Fifth season with 22 episodes was released on 27th September 2017. Sixth season with 22 episodes was released on 26th September 2018. Seventh season with 20 episodes was released on 25th September 2019. and 8th season was set to release with episodes on 11th November 2020. We will surely update each and every single updates. I hope fans will be satisfied with this information. It is also requested to share this video and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe for latest updates.